Hi guys, this is Ai, your millennial negosyante. I would just like to thank everyone for reaching out to me on all my social media platforms here in Millennial Negosyante. Pasensya na kung hindi ako mabilis mag-reply sa inyong mga questions, but I will always do my best na sagutin lahat and provide the help that you need on starting a business, being a fur parent, name it, lahat tutulong ko sa inyo within my niche. And to those na hindi masyado nagko-comment, I always see you guys. I always see your support. Maraming salamat. And I encourage everyone to watch all of my videos. If you feel that you're in that kind of situation, you're a millennial, you're a business owner, you're a fur parent, watch all of my content kasi marami kayong matututunan. Sana continue nyo pag-support kasi nakikita ko talaga yung growth ng social media platforms ng millennial negosyante. Nagbo-boost siya every time I post. Pasensya na rin kung hindi ako masyadong nagpo-post, no? Kasi meron na ako talagang, alam niyo naman, meron ako mga inaasikaso, franchise, video editing, staffs, everything, lahat ginagawa ko together with my husband. And also, I would like to promote Fur Society Philippines. Franchise with us, bring your pets, provide them the pamper that they need because your pet is our priority. Maraming salamat sa lahat mga ka-millennial negosyante. Please do comment, subscribe, follow, like, gawin nyo na lahat ng dapat ipindot dyan. And let me know kung ano mga gusto nyo content na isusunod ko. Maraming salamat sa mga existing na nagpa-follow sa akin. And I will see you on my next video. Love you guys.